Hi guys, this is your more girl and welcome back to my channel. How you guys been? I know it's been a moment. I know you missed me because I miss you guys. Hi, I've been a little busy with my trays, but I'm getting a little break. I just want to do a DIY. It's still going to be a resin, but I am going to do my guys is my room divider that divides my dining room to my living room, and this is what I got from Ikea. So what I'm going to do again is probably like the marble effect, just a little shades of a light gray, and keep it white. So let me show you. I'm going to just do the top shelf for now. I'm not going to worry about the bottom two shelves. There's white, and then the two middle ones, as you can see, is glass. And the top one is white as well, but of course you're not going to see up there. I just have my U light up there and some of my barware and some other votives. I want to bring a little summer color. I know it's unfortunately some of the stores is already getting ready for the fall, but come on, summer was only here like 2 weeks ago. So I do want to bring some more roses in here. I did get to have a slight little tablescape over there. I got a new runner. I actually went to Home Goods, guys. I actually paid full price for something, but I just want to do my divider. I'm not going to do a DIY. It's not going to take that long to do this because basically I'm going to pour white on it first and then add little touches of probably that light gray. I'm not going to do a dark charcoal gray, and maybe a couple streaks of silver to give it like a little pop to it. So I'm going to set this up and I will be back to show you a pour. And of course it might be a fast going, so it won't take too long, and add a little bit of music to it. So guys, I'll be back and we will do this resin pour marble effect. Okay guys, I have all of my supplies that I need. I took off my board and I made sure it was clean. It's 38 by 13. I went on artresin.com to get the measurements to see how much pour run I need, and it's about 17 ounces. Okay, this time I'm going to use a Bhutan. Yes baby, I'm going. Yeah. So to help pop out the bubbles, I do have my heat gun there, but I don't want the resin to blow. Okay, I'm going to use my brush probably just to put little streaks of silver in it. It's going to be pretty simple. So I have my colors here. I have my, it's like a light gray. It's a light silver. I have white. And I have silver. I'm not going to have it blingy blingy, so I'm just going to use like light strokes of this, and I think I'm going to use the paintbrush for that. So I just got like a flathead paintbrush just so I can sort of just like little streak lines in it, maybe I'll do a light blow on it, but not much. And of course I always keep my nail polish remover just in case my hands are sticky, alcohol just in case it gets any drop. I use my background paper, like leftover background paper, because it's nice and heavy and thick, even though it can seep through, so you still got to be careful. And I put some plastic bags under that. And then of course I have my gloves because I'm going to really smear the white evenly on here, torch the bubbles out, and just slowly put drizzles of gray and then drizzles of silver at the end. Alright guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, we are going to start. I have my colors here, got everything mixed. So I have my white, I have my light gray, and I have silver. I think it came out pretty nice. What do you think? Really subtle. It's just tints of gray, and it's very, very shiny and glass-like. Look at the reflection. Okay guys, if you want to try a technique like this, I showed you how to do it. It was not that difficult. Messy technique, so it's not for everyone. And you only have, remember, 20 minutes before the resin hardens, so. Alright guys, again, thanks for viewing my channel and checking out my room divider from Ikea and my marble effect technique. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and again share. Check me out on Instagram or Facebook, alright, under More Girl Makeovers. And don't forget my Etsy channel, and guess what? That's one of my trays. Alright guys, have a good day.